Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Kraken app. To enable the dark mode in Kraken, open your Kraken application on your device and make sure that you're logged in first. From the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will bring up the account section. Tap on Preferences from the menu. Click on Theme under Preferences. Select Dark from the menu that pops up at the bottom, and this will help you enable dark mode in Kraken. The interface should immediately switch to a darker color scheme designed to reduce eye strain and save battery life on devices with OLED screen. So that's how you can easily enable and enjoy dark mode experience in the Kraken app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.